What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play some chill ambient background sounds on your iPhone using that triple click shortcut on the side button. Let's dive right in. So first, configure the triple click accessibility shortcut. Open your settings app on the iPhone, then scroll down till you see accessibility and tap on it. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom till you hit the general section. Now, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Here's where the magic happens. You can pick what features you want to toggle just by triple-clicking that side button. You know, the one they also call the power button, or sleep/wake button. Works on your lock screen, home screen, wherever you're at. From the list, go ahead and select Background Sounds. Now, whenever you want to kick these sounds on or off, all you gotta do is triple-click that side button. A little menu is gonna pop up. Just tap on background sounds and boom, it starts playing. Wanna shut it off? Just do the triple click again and tap it one more time. Easy as that. This quick trick lets you get to those relaxing sounds whenever you're feeling it. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Catch ya in the next one.